Hey there, garden enthusiasts. Ready to bring a burst of sunshine to your backyard? Today we're diving into the joy of growing your very own lemon tree. Imagine plucking fresh, juicy lemons right from your garden. Let's get started. Step 1, pick the perfect lemon tree variety. For your warm climate, Eureka and Lisbon are excellent choices, while the improved Meyer lemon is fantastic. If you prefer a smaller tree or container growing, these varieties thrive in the warmth, and they'll give you plenty of delicious lemons. Next, find the sunniest spot in your garden. Lemon trees love the sun, needing at least 8–10 hours of direct sunlight each day. Good air circulation is a bonus, helping your tree stay healthy and happy. Now let's talk about planting. Start by preparing well, draining soil with a slightly acidic pH. Between 5.5 and 6.5, dig a hole twice as wide and just as deep as the root ball. Take the tree out of the pot and gently scuffle the roots a little. To loosen the roots, place your tree in the hole, ensuring the root crown sits just above ground level. Fill it in with the native soil, mixed with a little compost, and give it a good soak. Your tree is now home. Watering is key. Keep the soil consistently moist but not soggy. Young trees need regular watering, about once or twice a week. Make sure the top 2 to 3 inches of soil dry out between waterings to avoid overwatering. Mulching is your tree's best friend. Spread a 2 to 3 inch layer of organic mulch around the base. This helps conserve moisture, regulates soil temperature, and keeps weeds at bay. Remember to keep the mulch a few inches away from the trunk to prevent rot. You must also paint the trunk of the tree white so that it will not get sunburned. Feeding your lemon tree is essential for juicy, flavorful lemons. Use a balanced, slow-release fertilizer made for citrus trees. Apply it 3 times a year in early spring. Early summer and late summer, follow the instructions on the package. For the best results, getting organic fertilizers and homemade compost is the best way to feed your trees. Pruning might sound daunting, but it's simple in late winter or early spring. Trim to shape your tree, remove dead or diseased branches, and improve air circulation. Light pruning is best to keep your tree productive and thriving. Keep an eye out for pests and diseases. Aphid scale and spider mites can be pesky. Use insecticidal soap or neem oil if needed. And remember, good air circulation and proper watering help prevent fungal diseases. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for. Harvesting your lemons. Lemons usually take 6 to 9 months to mature. They're ready when they turn deep yellow and have a slight give when you squeeze them. Twist or cut them from the branch and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Imagine the satisfaction of using your homegrown lemons in your cooking, drinks, and desserts. Growing a lemon tree not only enriches your garden, but also fills your life with zest and joy. Additional tips: protection from cold. In case of unexpected cold snaps, cover the tree with a frost blanket or bring potted trees indoors. Container growing. If growing in a container, use a pot with good drainage and ensure it's large enough for the tree's root system. Move it to a sunny spot and water more frequently. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to enjoying fresh, homegrown lemons from your very own tree. Happy gardening!